So students, today we will study about the neutralization and its application. So neutralization is the process in which acid and base react to produce salt, and we can write the equation as acid plus base that give rise to salt water, and heat is also produced in that reaction. So neutralization in neutralization, a new substance is formed. That substance is called as salt, and the nature of salt is acidic, basic, or neutral. So the application of neutralization we will discuss in next slide. Example of neutralization. Here HCl is taken as acid, hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide is taken as base. Both these reacts and form sodium chloride, sodium from the base and chloride from the acid, NaCl. This is salt. Along with this NaCl, water is also formed, and the beaker in which the reaction is taking place get heated because of the evolution of heat from the reaction. So it is a good example of neutralization. Now the application of neutralization. First application is in treatment of the indigestion. So as we all know that in our stomach we have acid. That acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and it helps in the digestion of food material and activation of the enzyme. But if this HCl is HCl amount get excessed in stomach, it causes indigestion. So it is treated by the use of base, as base neutralizes the effect of HCl, and it will treat or cure the indigestion. And the base used for this purpose is milk of magnesia that contain magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium hydroxide will neutralize the impact of HCl, and the problem of indigestion is solved. Second application is in the treatment of ant sting or ant bite. Ant sting have acid, formic acid, and when this acid comes in contact with the skin or goes into the skin, it causes itching and irritation. Also there is reddening and swelling. So this effect of acid is neutralized by the use of base, and the base that we use for this purpose is baking soda, which contains sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can also use calamine solution that contains zinc carbonate. Both the sodium hydrogen carbonate and zinc carbonate are basic in nature, and this will neutralize the impact of formic acid. Next application is in the soil treatment. We know that a plant will not able to grow much in acidic or excess basic soil. So if the soil is acidic, then we use quicklime calcium oxide or slagged lime calcium hydroxide. Both these quicklime and slagged lime act as base, and it will neutralize the acids present in the soil, and soil become neutral. But if the soil is basic in nature, then we do not use the acid directly. We use organic matter which contain acid, or in further degradation of this organic matter we release acid in the soil, and slowly the soil become neutral. The last application is in the treatment of the factory waste. Factory discharge, especially the water, contain acid. This acid, when get mixed with the water body, it will impact the life of aquatic plants or animals. Hence it is very much required to treat the acidic water before releasing it into the soil, into the water body. So this acid is neutralized by the use of base, and after neutralization the water is released into the a pond, lake, or a river. So this is up till now.